The MSI Katana 17 gaming laptop with 13th Gen Intel Core i7 and RTX 4060 GPU delivers performance-ready gaming and multitasking at a new level. I have provided the link to this laptop in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. Designed with power users in mind, it features a massive 17.3-inch Full HD 144Hz display for ultra-smooth visuals in fast-paced games and a clean, minimalist aesthetic that balances style and function. Built for both gamers and creators, the Katana 17 packs a heavy punch with every boot. Equipped with 32GB of cutting-edge DDR5 memory and a spacious 1TB NVMe SSD, this machine handles multitasking, large projects, and high-performance gaming without breaking a sweat. The RTX 4060, powered by NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture, brings real-time ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics to the forefront, ensuring immersive, realistic visuals in every scene. Whether you're diving into AAA titles, editing high-res videos, or streaming your gameplay, this laptop's capabilities are more than up to the task. Keeping everything cool under pressure is MSI's Cooler Boost 5 system, built for optimized thermal control even during marathon gaming sessions. With Windows 11 Home on board, you get a modern operating environment ready for productivity and play. The inclusion of USB Type-C further future-proofs your connectivity needs. Whether you're a gamer, designer, student, or remote professional, the MSI Katana 17 provides the horsepower and visual fidelity to keep you in the lead. Additionally, the keyboard offers a tactile, comfortable experience perfect for long hours of gaming or work. The large 17.3-inch display not only enhances gameplay but also provides ample screen real estate for multitasking. Its sleek black chassis offers a professional look suitable for any environment, from gaming tournaments to office meetings. Connectivity options are robust, supporting fast data transfer and multiple peripherals. The fast refresh rate minimizes motion blur, giving you a competitive edge in action-packed games. Battery life is optimized to keep you productive when away from a power source. Overall, this laptop is a well-rounded device combining performance, style, and reliability. I have provided the link to this laptop in the description below if you want to know how much it costs.